Now that we've completed the info box section, we want to complete the content section. If you scroll down to the content section, you will see different boxes for the content such as summary, geography, history, languages, religions. I've went ahead and pre-filled in these boxes to kind of save some time for this video. The one thing to keep in mind, when you come here, click on this link, MediaWiki Formatting Help, and this will take you to a page that will describe how to manually make changes to the text by adding italics, bold, or maybe different types of headings to the articles that you create. There is another way of doing this from within the menu, and I will go over that as well. The first section, summary, this is kind of limited to 100 words, so make sure that when you create an article, the summary is 100 words or less. And for this particular category, we have the geography, history, languages, religions, traditions, and customs. Make sure you put in your bibliography. I did not for this example. And then also use references, and then you want to click the references there. So then you just want to click Save Page, and it will create the page in the correct format. Here is our picture with our info box information, and this is the content section here. Now, let's say you want to go in here and make some edits to kind of make this look a little bit nicer. So for example, like right here, maybe we want to bold this. So what you would do is you would come here and hit the drop down caret button, and you can either go back to edit with form, which takes us back to this page, or you can do edit with source. Edit with source takes you to a editor where you have some basic editing functions here. You can drop the advanced tab and you can see there's different ways to increase the font size. You can actually make changes. You can add headings, bold, italics, and so on. So let's say we want to come down here to the traditions and customs. And let's say we want to perhaps make this bold. So you would just highlight this, and just like any other type of text editor or word editor, you would just hit the bold there, and then that would make that to be bold. And then same with this one, we can do all of these. You can make all of the changes in here. And then you just save the changes here. You can also do a preview to see what it would look like before you save the changes as well. So we're going to save the changes, and I'm just going to come down here to tradition and customs, and you can see how this looks formatted a lot nicer. So however you want to create your articles is up to you. But these are some tips as far as that you can do to make the article look nice.